Are you going to the party tonight? No. Come on, don't be such a couch potato.
I'm not a potato.
Of course not. When you're in the mood, you're a social butterfly. Butterfly? Yes, plus you're a night owl, so I know you'll be up till the morning. So let's go, don't be such a pain in the neck. Potato, butterfly, owl, what are you talking about? I'm using idioms. Now we'll explore 20 idioms that you can use when talking about people. Let's get started and add some color to your conversations. We'll start with idioms related to food. Couch potato. A person who spends a lot of time sitting or lying down, usually watching TV or playing video games. Ever since Jake discovered that new TV series, he's become a total couch potato. Cool as cucumber. Someone who remains calm, even in stressful situations. Even during the final exam, Jessica was cool as cucumber. Tough cookie. A person who is strong and able to handle difficult situations with courage. After being told she couldn't participate in the marathon, Lisa trained harder and proved everyone wrong. She's a tough cookie. Smart cookie. Someone who is intelligent, clever, and quick-witted. Tim figured out the math puzzle in minutes. He's such a smart cookie. Social butterfly. A person who enjoys socializing and is very outgoing. At the party, Mia was talking to everyone and making new friends. She's a real social butterfly. Night owl. A person who stays up late and is active at night. Lola loves staying up late to play video games. She's a night owl. Early bird. A person who wakes up early and is active in the morning. Sarah always gets up at 5 a.m. to go for a run. She's an early bird. And are you an early bird or a night owl? Let me know in the comments. Black sheep. A person who is different from the rest of the family or group and is not accepted because of it. Tom's love for heavy metal music made him the black sheep of his classical music-loving family. Dark horse. A person who unexpectedly wins, especially in a competition. Nobody expected her to win the race, but she turned out to be the dark horse. Beaver. A person who is very enthusiastic and hardworking. John is always the first to volunteer for new projects. He is such an eager beaver. Lone wolf. A person who prefers to act alone and is independent. Sam likes to work on his own projects without any help. He's a lone wolf. And the last one is cold fish. A person who is unemotional and distant. Kate didn't show any excitement at the news. She's a bit of a cold fish. And the final group of idioms focuses on people's behavior and personality traits. Wet blanket. A person who spoils the fun and enjoyment of others. Whenever we try to have fun, Mark complains and ruins the mood. He's such a wet blanket. Rolling stone. A person who is always moving from place to place without settling down. Emily has lived in 5 different countries in the past 3 years. She's a rolling stone. People person. Someone who enjoys being around people. Lisa loves organizing team activities. She is a real people person. The life and soul of the party. Someone who is very lovely and entertaining at social events. Whenever Jack is at a party, everyone has a great time. He's the life and soul of the party. Pain in the neck. A person or a thing that is very annoying. Dealing with constant complaints from the neighbors is such a pain in the neck. Wimp. A person who is weak and lacks courage. When it comes to scary movies, John is a total wimp. Cheapskate. A person who is unwilling to spend money. Mike always finds a way to avoid paying for anything. He's such a cheapskate. Have a screw loose. To be a bit crazy or eccentric, some of the ideas he comes up with make me think he has a screw loose. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more language content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.